Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to your Sunday night auction recap, where we talk about some notable sales happening on the auction circuit for coins, currency, and everything else in between. And we have a really beautiful pair of Roosevelt dimes that I'm going to talk to you about tonight. The first one up on the block was a 1950 Philadelphia Roosevelt dime. That is a visually stunning coin. Okay, it's got little spitter spatters of bluish toning in there, which gives it a nice eye appeal. But just to give you an idea of the grade of this one graded out at a stunningly awesome Mid-State 68 full split bands, or full torch rather, through PCGS. This was auction number 602723 through greatcollections.com, and this one sold for $4,331.25. It's no doubt about it, this one is a top pop, it's a gem, and that's the cool thing about silver dimes, is there's a lot of brilliant uncirculated examples out there, whether they're part of an old collection or maybe one that could be cherry-picked out of dealer stock. These exist pretty regularly out there, and it's just going to be a matter of finding the right one with no nicks or little scratches or hairlines and a nice strike. The toning absolutely gives this one a plus, but this is a stunner. It's a 1950 68 full torch PCGS graded coin. Again, this one sold for $4,331.25. Alright, so it's no mistaking that the other coin is this coin, the 1950s brother. You know, they're kind of like twins. Alright, this one is the 1950D that sold through the same auction house, Great Collections. This is auction number 602319, by the way. And this one, I believe, is part of a pair set along with the 1950s submitted by the same folks that consigned to it. And this one also, again, is a PCGS Mid-State 68. This one has a full torch, so it's got the well-defined lines on the torch on the reverse. And this bad boy also sold for $4,162.50. Truly magnificent, marvelous pieces. This particular one has a lot more toning going on with it, which might we could conclude that it was an album coin at one point. Given the area in which the toning occurs, which is right on the edge, and it's on both sides. So this one is a true marvel. Again, it's a 1950D, so we got the P and the D that sold tonight. Again, Mid-State 68 full torch PCGS grade, $4,162.50. And you know what, if you guys come across something like this, okay, I'm going to start kind of throwing this out there. If you think you might have a coin that grades this high, keep in mind you do have to send it out for grading. PCGS, of course, is the higher caliber of the few grading companies out there, so if you're able to send it to them and it grades out that high, then you'll have one of those top pop coins. And then from that point forward, you just have to choose the right auction house. Okay, eBay is safe. But you know, the bigger draw is going to come from like Heritage Auctions, Great Collections, Stack's Bowers, David Lawrence, and a few others. Okay, so you know, I hope you guys find something like this. They are magnificent coins. Roosevelt dimes have been kind of under the radar, but it has its huge fan following. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the pair of dimes on this auction recap for the evening. And you know, give me a great big like if you enjoy the content tonight. Big thumbs up, and thank you for all of my subscribers and to all the new watchers. I couldn't have done it without you guys. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Again, it's Blue Ridge Silverhound. You'll see my button here at the end. And I appreciate your guys' time. Keep hunting, keep searching, keep stacking, and enjoy the hobby. All right, have a good evening.